This was bought at an auction, and I was hired to make the key for it. I bought a lot of cars here, and this was the only one that didn't have a key. Pretty nice inside, actually. It's like a Ford turned into a camper. E350, what is it? Something like that. Okay, let's see what we got. So they're going to be all the other way. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. He's WD-40 though, so we're going to spray it. Okay, picked. I'm gonna read these cuts. We got 1, 2, 4, 2. 1, 2, 4, 2. 1, 2. Again, we got 1, 2, 4, 2, 1, 2. Okay, our 5th and 6th cut was 1, 2. So we're gonna go over here, we're gonna find 1, 2. And that's the group that we want. So we're gonna find, should say it on here. Not that one. 1, 2, there we go. Let's go try this ignition out. Well, look at me, I locked it. It's probably locked on this side too. Oh, this side's open. Does it have power? Nope, it's completely dead. Oh, Ford, what's that? That's not the key. Okay, door locks work, that's good. Never even know they left the key in here somewhere. Alright guys, we're going to try all these keys out until we get one that turns. Steering wheel's not locked, so that's good. Make sure the steering wheel's not locked. Oh, it was. So that might have been why it wasn't turning. Well, this one's turning. How do I get the key out? That's a good question. Alright. Should be a little button, right? Oh, not in park. Okay. Oops. Let's get that out of the way. Key wasn't coming out because we weren't in park. We're in park now. We got a key that turns. We got number, looks like 18. Looks like 18 is turning it. Just for the fun of it, I'm gonna go back to that number 11 that was like wanting to turn it. Oh, that turns it too. There we go. And let's see, number 12. Yeah. So kind of any one of these, I guess, will turn it. I don't know. Which one is it now? They all turned it smooth, so we'll just cut one of them. So I could go over here to number 11. Those are going to be the cuts. We said it was 1, 2. Number 12 is also 1, 1. Let's see, 18. So it doesn't really matter. All right, we're going to put these put our door cuts in. So we got key blank. So we're going to go by H60. And it's a 10 cut. And we're going to go direct. And we got our door cuts. We got 1, 2, 4, 2, 1, 2. Oops. We'll just go 1, 1, 1, 3. Try that. What's this one? Let's try that. See what happens. I'm gonna pop the hood in the meantime. Put some cables on it. Alright, we got an interesting under the hood situation. Don't know if I can get this one fired up because he said, yeah, it's got a low battery or no battery. Well, yeah, it's got no battery. I'll put cables. I just don't know if we're strong enough to, what's this? I don't know if you guys can see that. The glare. Jumper cable going somewhere. Alright, let's see. We should be good on the door. Okay, we got our door key. We got ignition, that's the question. We do. We got ignition. First key. Let's put cables on it, see what's going on. Alright, we got cables on there. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. I don't know, guys. What do you guys think? Maybe it needs a battery or something. All right, well, my job is done. Let's take a look around this one more time. This key, this is open, looks like. This key should work here, too. Yep. That should even work here. So this was well maintained for sure. Well maintained. Well, it's all original, I guess I can say. All right, cut one more key, figure out where to hide him, and we're out of here. Oh, it's a long drive up here. That's for sure.